Welcome to our guide to the best hiking trails in the Grand Canyon for beginners. In this video, we will explore the top trails, the best times to go, and the equipment you'll need. Our first trail recommendation is the South Kaibab Trail. This trail offers stunning views and is perfect for beginners. It's important to hike this trail during the cooler months and bring plenty of water and sunscreen. Next up is the Bright Angel Trail. This trail is well maintained and offers a variety of hiking options for beginners. We recommend hiking this trail in the spring or fall and being prepared with proper hiking shoes and layers of clothing. Our final recommendation is the Rim Trail. This trail is perfect for beginners who want to enjoy the breathtaking views of the Grand Canyon without strenuous hiking. It's accessible year-round and requires minimal equipment. We hope this guide has inspired you to explore the Grand Canyon's best hiking trails. Remember to always be prepared, hike responsibly, and leave no trace. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow hikers.